Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying your PC meets Windows 10 Home minimums and then secure a legitimate license key. This is the only legal path. Back up your files to an external drive or cloud because upgrades can fail. Once done, choose Clean Install or In Place Upgrade. I recommend Clean when possible for reliability. Make sure your current Windows is updated if upgrading, and have your license key written down. You need these essentials before making installation media or proceeding further. Next, you create installation media using Microsoft's media creation tool on a working computer. This gives you a clean, official installer. Plug an 8 GB USB, run the tool, choose Create Installation Media, and select Windows 10 Home, Edition, and Architecture. Once the tool copies files, safely eject the USB. Make sure to set your target PC to boot from USB in BIOS or UEFI. Once boot order is set, insert the media and restart so the installer launches, and you can begin setup. Finally, you install and activate. Boot the PC from the USB installer, choose Custom Install for a clean system, and select or format the target partition. Be careful, this erases data. Enter the product key during setup or sign in with your Microsoft account to attach a digital license. After installation, install chipset and network drivers, run Windows Update, and confirm activation in Settings. If activation fails, make sure you have internet access, verify the key, and use the activation troubleshooter to resolve common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.